To fix NVIDIA installation error code 0xe60000, go to your taskbar, then search for settings. Then open settings. Then come to update and security. Then you need to check on updates. This is obvious, but you first need to check whether your Windows is up to date. So you just check for updates. Then once you've done that, you will now close this one. Then you will go to your taskbar again, then click on search, then search for control panel. Open. Then you will go to view by, then select large icons. Then once you've done that, now you will go to programs and features. Then here you will just scroll down. Then you need to uninstall all these NVIDIA programs. You need to uninstall each and every one of them. So to uninstall, you just click on the program, then you will click on uninstall. Then you will confirm uninstallation. Then after you've done that, you will just close this one. Then you will restart your computer. You just come to the window. Then you will restart your computer. Once you've already restarted your computer, you will open your browser, any browser, it doesn't matter. But personally, I'm going to use Chrome browser. So I will open the Chrome browser, then search for NVIDIA. Then it will bring you to this interface. Now this is the official website. So you just scroll down and then click on download geforce now. Then once you are here, this is their homepage. So you will just scroll down and then you will see desktop and laptop. So you are going to select your operating system, whether you are using Windows or Mac. For me, I'm using Windows. You just select on download. Then it will automatically download, as you can see at the top there. So after it has finished downloading, you just install it on your computer and it will fix the error. That's how you can fix NVIDIA installation error code 0xe60000. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.